Guys,
this is the way I do my curry chicken. So you can see the way I'm gonna do it. I use my onion, lots of garlic, scotch,
thyme, and then some seasonings.
Maggi. You see the Maggi
some
curry,
some purpose, some garlic. I don't know.
Garlic and ginger.
Yeah, man,
Don't forget ginger. Also, I'm doing some stew peas with chicken foot, chicken and beef. Nice. So
she's gonna put this to marinate.
And I'm gonna put it to marinate now after I put the season. So I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel,
follow and turn on that notification bell. Boom, boom, boom.
Turn it on, run and follow me. Don't forget Auntie Claire.
Yeah,
she's
and
right.
Leave a comment. Come on. Don't play on our dogs.
Yes.
And leave a nice thumbs up.
Nice thumbs up. Thumbs up. Auntie Claire is here.
Let us know if we're doing good.
Yes. Hey.
Alright,
this
guys.
is Auntie Claire. So like you guys.
Yeah,
subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, man.
Yes.